Hello and welcome back to one of my videos, and today I am reviewing Pugaslimes, an Etsy shop, and their link is here and in the description below. And what strikes me immediately about this package is how friendly and wonderful this printed bubble mailer type thing is. It's not bubble mailer because it's I don't know, PVC mailer. And very well wrapped slime. Some extras, wow, look at that. Very interesting, can't wait to open that with a sweet card and something else. And another slime, very well bubble wrapped. So these have come in tip-top condition, no leakage, very well put together. So let's have a look at this little baggie of extras. Oh, so this is amazing. You are Puggin' awesome, thank you. A card with how to look after your slimes, and this is borax. Wow, that is super glam for some borax. Really sweet, I love it. And the Laffy Taffy sweet. I've never tried Laffy Taffy, so I'm going to try that. So these slimes are super well wrapped, like multiple layers of bubble wrap. There's no way that these can leak. Here's the slime. Oh, look at the logo. It's transparent. This is candy corn wafer, scented with candy corn. It's got wafer pieces in it. I'm really keen to try them because I haven't actually handled any wafer pieces yet. And the second slime, again, it's super wrapped in bubble mailer. There's no way this is going to be damaged in the post unless postman sat on it. Again, look at that wonderful logo. That's little hearts. Lots of love cola, strawberries and cream scented. I can't wait. These look amazing. So on to the first one, the candy corn scented wafer slime. Ooh, not sticky at all. Oh yeah, that smells amazing. It smells of candy corn, really sweet sort of scent. It's very American, so in the UK we don't get candy corn, but I bought this scent and it smells exactly like that. This is a really thick slime with these lovely wafer pieces. Look at that. I've never handled those before. It's really interesting. It's very thick, glossy, smells amazing. I love the colours. I love the textures. Oh, it's really good slime. Very impressed. Yep, excellent click, and it's kind of, it's got great pop. Look at all the bubbles trapped in there with all the texture. I love the little hearts. This is a really good slime. Love it. So creative and fun and exactly as it's described. I think you need the benefit of some ASMR here. Oh yeah. Oh, check out those little wafer pieces. And those bubbles. Well, I am super happy with that slime. It smells amazing. The texture's great. The smell is to die for. Oh, fabulous. Okay, so on to the second slime. Lots of love. Cola, strawberries and cream. Not sure about the cola reference, but oh, this looks so glossy. Oh, that smells of strawberries and cream. Oh, that's such a good smell. I wish you could smell. And what's this? What is this? The slime's a little bit on the sticky side, but that's okay. I can activate it. It's a foam heart. I'm going to activate this first. Where does she get, or he get, the heart-shaped foam? It's amazing. And I love all these heart confettis at the bottom. It's a very glossy slime, but it definitely needs more activating. I don't know quite what's happened there, but I can tell that this is a good slime. So I'm just going to work at this a bit and then comment when it's ready. Okay, so I think I'm there. I did add a little bit of shaving foam to thicken it up and make it less sticky without over activating. But wow, it's such a nice slime. It's got good poke. It's very glossy and I love these foam hearts. Look at that. Super cute. I'm just looking for that red one now. That smell is so good. Oh, here it is. Look at that. Oh, it's like a giant jelly sweet. So good. Well, I am super happy with my purchase from Pugaslimes, and they have been super generous. I can barely fit this slime back into its pot. The lid just won't even fasten down. So they've been so generous, and I love the design, I love the scents, I love the ideas, very creative. That is the end for this video. Don't forget to like and to subscribe. Check out Pugaslimes link below. I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!